Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discussing about how to optimize freezing process for kernel control streams. Yes, due to nowadays the consumer awareness has been increased a lot. So most of the buyers are asking us kernel control streams. Yes, it is very difficult to freeze the streams in a kernel control position. We have to stretch the streams arranged in a in-feed or conveyor belt. In this video, we will discuss about what are the freezing tools or freezing aids help us to produce kernel control streams, how to optimize the freezing mechanism during arranging or during freezing to produce kernel control streams. Now, let us start the video. Kernel control streams freezing process. Yes, the first one is we can stretch the streams arranged in a conveyor belt before IKF in feed. Yes, it is difficult to set the streams in a proper manner, in a proper arrangements. While shifting the material from conveyor belt to in feed, the streams alignment also will change. The streams will become curl while shifting. These are all some difficulties are there. So if we can set the streams, if we can align the streams in feed belt before the in feed belt without aligning in a conveyor belt, that is also very difficult. In front of in feed belt, the workers cannot stand for longer period for stretch the streams and arranging in a kernel control manner. So these are all the difficulties nowadays the people are facing. Yes, the first one is SS trace. So we can stretch the streams and arrange in a SS tray and put it in the conveyor belt, and it will go to the in feed, and after freezing then we have to remove the streams from SS tray. That is very difficult. We have to beat the SS tray to the hard surface. So to avoid such things, some of the facilities are putting the polythene sheet on SS tray removal for easy removal of streams after freezing. That is also disadvantage is there. After freezing, the polythene will stick to the SS sheet firmly. We cannot able to remove, and the fragments of polythene will add into the product, and the fragments will stick to the polythene fragments. The plastic fragments will stick to the products. So that is also one kind of foreign metal contamination. If we can directly arrange in SS tray, the streams after freezing, the kernel control streams, very difficult to remove. We have to beat the SS tray to the hard surface, hard substratum. While beating the streams, aluminum streams, some metal fragments also will fall into the product. If the SS tray having joints, maybe the joints due to repeated work, the strength also may lose. Maybe if unfortunately the metal fragment embedded into the meat, very difficult to detect by the metal detector system. So in SS tray, the kernel control streams freezing will be good, but on the other hand, metal fragment introduction will be more. If you can put the polythene sheet, LDP or LLDP sheet on SS tray, the introduction of plastic fragments, foreign particles into the kernel control streams. These are the two disadvantages. If we are doing that, we have to focus on those things. Now the second option is kernel control streams setting in a plastic tray. Yes, nowadays we have seen, see, look at this plastic tray, so which is aligned, so which is designed plastic tray to cope up with kernel control streams. If we can set in the plastic tray due to its sticky nature, after freezing the kernel control streams, we cannot able to remove the streams, and this plastic tray unable to wash properly. It will not support, it will not facilitate for easy washing, for easy cleaning. The third option is arrange the streams in a Teflon sheets. Let us have a look. What is Teflon? What is Teflon? Teflon is nothing but a polytetrafluoroethylene. It's a plastic. It's a synthetic plastic. Polytetrafluoroethylene. PETFE. Yes, it is non-toxic. It is non-adhesive in nature. It is hydrophobic in nature. Due to these probabilities, it is flexible. It can be used in a food industry. Due to its non-adhesive nature, non-sticky nature, Teflon is extensively used in food industry. And Teflon sheet also, choosing for this industry, for freezing industry, we have to choose the thickness of the Teflon sheet also will play the crucial role during freezing and during removing the material after freezing. And the Teflon sheets, we have to make the holes also, uniform holes and particular size. See the Teflon sheet, we have to make the holes because during freezing, the IKF panel, impingement panel, will circulate the chilled air from top and from bottom also. So the uniform freezing of the shrimps also will occur. The rapid removal of heat also will occur if you make adequate holes on the Teflon sheet. But it should not facilitate for fragile, or it should not facilitate to brittle the Teflon sheet. After freezing, we can easily tilt or twist the sheet. All shrimps will detach from the Teflon sheets because it's non-sticky nature, it's non-adhesive nature. See this video. Yeah, 1 mm Teflon is very easy to remove the shrimps after freezing compared with 2 mm or compared with 3 mm. This tray is unfit for freezing of kernel control shrimps or freezing of rice flour coated, dusted or wheat flour coated shrimps. This plastic tray is unfit. Either you choose SS tray with some precautionary measures or with some risk assessment, you can choose SS tray or Teflon sheet. My advice is 1 mm Teflon sheet will be suitable for the kernel control, for making kernel control or for making dusted or rice flour coated or wheat flour coated shrimps. See this experiment. The shrimps hard frozen in SS tray and the shrimps not properly frozen in plastic tray and the shrimps properly frozen in Teflon sheet. While removing Teflon sheet, see this video, while removing the shrimps, we can easily remove the shrimps after freezing. If you freeze the shrimps, you set the shrimps on the Teflon sheets. If you can align in IKF infeed or if you can align in conveyor belt, you cannot produce more product for 1 hour or for the day. If IKF capacity is 1 ton, only we can arrange 500 kilo of the production capacity will reduce. If you use Teflon, we can utilize 100% of the production capacity. It can withstand the one more important property I have to tell you. Teflon can withstand minus 200 degrees to plus 260 degrees centigrade. It won't degrade. It is a food grade, FDA approved food grade synthetic plastic Teflon. So we can use 1 mm Teflon with adequate facilities to circulate the air. Use it as a dusted or rice flour coated shrimps. Use it as a kernel control shrimps. That's all the video, friends. If you like the video, click the bell icon, subscribe my channel for regular updates. Thank you. Bye bye.